Hi guys, just doing a little experiment here in response to some comments on one of my videos. I used acetone, or nail polish remover, to release some superglue off some PLA, a 3D printer that I'd done. And people were asking whether the acetone would actually dissolve the PLA. Well, I put this bit of PLA in this bath of acetone. It's been in there for about a week. Now it clearly hasn't dissolved. It's lost its colour. It was orange, as you can probably tell. But that's the only thing that's happened to it. That's still the same strength that it was before, because this was some infill from something that I printed. So yeah, it doesn't look like the acetone's actually done much to it other than bleached it a bit, taken the colour out. It certainly hasn't dissolved away. Yeah, I can still squeeze that along its line and it's still rigid. The thing about PLA is it does take on moisture. So, being as this wouldn't have been pure acetone, there was probably other chemicals in there. So some of that may have leached into it. But it hasn't dissolved, which was the main question. It's lost its colour, but it hasn't dissolved. So there. End of that little video reply. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.